This Toyota Corolla had relatively low mileage, but still showed real-world impact from driving on today's roads. It's showing us that ADAS is affected by roads, potholes, heat cycles, and local environments. It also shows us that the software adapts to these environments by giving it variables that it can account for.
This is wear and tear from 5 years of driving on New Jersey roads. This car has less than 25,000 miles, but everything's plastic. So between the heat and the cold, it's deforming this enough to where it's a 1.6 degree variation no matter the height of our target. A lot of big lessons in here today. We are not going to calibrate this car because it does not need it. But if we were going to calibrate this car, this would be a major area of concern. I've had issues with Priuses in the past with relation to the adjustment here. I'm not sure if this Corolla has the same adjustment, although I would think it may. But if it does not, you may have to replace this front bumper. Things to keep in mind as you do ADAS and as you use 7-step box and 7-step ADAS at your service facility.